Hello children, welcome to Little Bird English School. Today we are learn about Standard 5th Maths, chapter number 2, Shapes and Angle. In this chapter we learn about different shape and different type of angle. So student, open your textbook page number 16. First we learn what is a closed shape and what is a open shape. Student, here I draw this triangle shape of picture. This is a closed shape. Shape which start and aim the same point. It's called a closed shape. Start with this point and close with this point. It's called a closed shape. And this is a picture of open shape. Shape which do not start and end the same point. It's called a open shape. This is start of point this and finish this point. So it's called a open shape. Rohini made this shape. Rohini made this shape. This shape has a 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's called a 6 side has a called a hexagon. Rohini made this shape. Mohini, it is a closed shape or an open shape? Rohini, it's a closed shape. Mohini, how many sides are there? It's a 6 side. Now Mohini made this shape. Now you give the answer. It's a closed shape. Yes. Does it have a 6 side? Yes. But it's not the same as the one made by Rohini. So Mohini tried again. This is what the same made. In page number 17, it's a closed shape with a 6 side. Yes. It's the same as the one made by Rohini. No, because both shapes are different. If there's some way to say in what way these shapes are different. Mohini tried again but go different shape. Guess and make 2 more shape Mohini could have made. Student, Mohini is now ask Shala what to do. Mohini is now tired of trying and ask Shala what to do. If you ask for the angle that the matchstick make at the corner, you can do it. Oh, so let us look for the angles. Student, here are some angles are given. Look at the angles marked in this shape. Can you see the difference, student? This is picture made by Rohini. These shapes are made by Mohini. This is a angle. All angles are same here. See how the matchstick make a small angle. It is a small angle. Big angle. It's called a big angle and at a bigger angle. Wow, when the angles change, the shape change so much. Student, practice time. Look at the shape and answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side. It has a 5 side. 5 side is called a pentagon shape. Their angle marked in a which color? Black color. Both angle are same and it's marked in a black color. Is the biggest angle. Now, 2A are the angles marked with a yellow equal. Here is our equal. Yes. Are the angle marked with a green color? Yes. Are the angle marked with blue? Yes. 4 different angle marked in 4 color. Can you find other angle which are the same as the one marked in red? Mark them in a red. Do this for other colors. Here some shapes are given. It's a pentagon, it's a hexagon, it's a octagon. Here in this picture, red and yellow are same angles. And this picture, all angle are same. On this picture of hexagon here, all angle are same. As angle mark is a green. It's all angle are same. In this octagon picture, all angles are octagon and same are as angle mark in black. All angle are same. Student, number 4, how many different shape can you make by changing the angle between the matchstick in each of these try? 4 matchstick, 8 matchstick, 5 matchstick, 7 matchstick and 10 matchstick. This all picture draw in your notebook and change the side and make the different shape in your own way. Here given a matchstick puzzle. This matchstick puzzle do your own self. On page number 20, angle tester. Here two girls are talking to each other. How do we make equal angle? Let's make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It's called a divider. All students have a geometry box, and in this geometry box all student has a divider. Cut two strips for a cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing या pin such that both are strips can move around easily. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angle in their class. Rohini tested the angle of the Max book and the pencil books. Student, here we all students tested this angle by books, cardboard, blackboard. Look at the tester. It has open like the letter L. Open like the letter L. This is a right angle. We write it as a L. Okay. The page number 21. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which a tester open like the letter L. Are you sure they are all right angle, student? Draw here picture which open like a L. Your window, draw your window, door, and extra picture. Practice time. Look at the angles in the picture and fill the table. Here some angles are given. Right angle, more than right angle, and less than right angle. Student, this is a picture of scissor. Its angle is a less than right angle. What is a right angle? It's called a right angle. It's a less than right angle. So we will tick here. This picture shape, look, this shape look like a L. So it's called a right angle. In this kite picture, shape like a L. So it is a right angle. In this tools, more than right angle. So we will tick here, more than right angle. And this banner, this signboard, open this like. So it is a more than right angle. So we will tick here. Thank you.